Alright, so little girl is ready to build PIPLUP. I think that's how we say it. P-I-P-L-U-P.
I think that was
Yeah,
his name.
PIPLUP from Pokemon.
Yeah.
We already built Pikachu,
Yeah.
and the boy.
He's
And then,
so
yeah, we spent some time building Zekrom. He was pretty cool. He actually took about 45 minutes. He took a little bit longer.
We didn't
Yeah.
do a video of him.
No, we didn't.
But
'Cause-
also his mouth open.
yeah, so again, this kit, pretty easy. It's made for 6+, but this one's going to be for a little girl.
Yeah.
So we're going to build it together. We're going to kind of glue it together as we go. So with some of them, they have nice little instruction books, but this one, the instructions are in the box. Sometimes I forget that they are in the box.
Let me have it.
Yep, absolutely. And then we're going to cut the bag open. This is a really colorful little penguin creature.
That's a pretty head together.
Yeah, he's got some stickers for his eyes. We're going to put those off to the side for now. We're all done with the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, little girl, can I look at the instructions? Okay, A11 and A14 are going to go together.
Yeah.
So this one is A1. Not a lot of
His
parts.
body.
Yeah. Sometimes you can look at the box art and you can see how complicated they might be.
He's on his eyes too.
Yeah, we're going to get the eyes on. So you can just wiggle these parts off, but Dad likes to use the sprue cutters. Okay, so that's A14, A11. And this is going to be the front of his face.
But these are his eyes.
You know what? Dad's going to line this one up. Oh boy. I'm going to line this one up. Can you try and push it together? Push. Oh, look at that. It's already together. Not bad with a little bit of adult help, right? So now we need A13.
Daddy, his eyes are not on.
A13 looks like that's going to be his mouth and nose.
His nose is shaped as a round circle.
Yeah, it's got like kind of like a round beak.
Yeah, because
You want to try and put that together?
yeah.
Just push them in there. Boop. And you heard it click, right? So that's where we're at now. Okay. And then I need this little blue part, A15.
Yeah.
What's really cool about these Bandai kits is that everything is a really nice color. We don't even have to paint.
No.
Okay, and then we're just going to pop that in there. You want to do that? Push it in. He's got a tuft of some like nice light blue
Yeah.
above his nose.
Look at something up there.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Now we need the back of his body.
Yeah. So he could get you the state body.
It's all going together very nicely.
It just gets a tiny sip. Daddy, there's 2 phones.
There's the back of his body. Yeah, we got 2 phones. That way they can kind of see our faces and they can see a little better what we're doing here.
Actually, my face a little bit.
Okay, so it's telling me to go ahead and do the sticker eyes. So Dad is going to do that. So I am going to I like to use a razor blade because my
He's so cute.
fat fingers get in the way.
Dad, he's so cute.
He's very cute.
But he kind of sad when you take off his eyes.
Yeah. And I don't even think we really need to glue this one yet. Maybe his arms or something like that.
Yeah.
There's one eye.
One.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'll put it on the other eye.
Yeah.
It's easy to fix things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, stickers you want to be pretty close. You don't want to handle them too much with your fingers because the oil on your fingers make them stick a little bit less. Can you hold that up for the camera? Ta-da! There we go. So we're getting somewhere now. Okay. So A211, we're on sprue A2 now. This part is number 11. She's fine. She's just showing everybody what we're up to.
It's so cute.
It is very cute. Okay. And then A12. And then that is all the parts off of the A1 sprue. One more. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we need the other side of this.
Daddy, what is this a part?
I think it's part of his body. If you look at the work on the thing. Oh, that dropped it. Oh boy. It's alright, I saved it. Okay, so now this guy is going to go in here. Oop.
I'll just hold his head.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to give this piece is a little bit loose, so we're going to give it a little bit of glue.
Yes.
I just use non-toxic plastic Revell glue. That way it's not going to come apart on her.
No.
Okay.
Because I don't want to break it.
Yeah, that's right. You don't want to break it.
Because you add glue.
Yep, a little bit of glue in there. Okay. So now that's done. Okay, so now we're going to have, it looks like, some little feet that we have to put together. Let's go ahead and put that back.
This we go like right like this.
He's got a couple little feet, nice little cool, cute little yellow feet. Like he's going to be in a little bit of a seated position.
Yeah. It's going to be a crazy position.
Okay.
This is also kind of parts that you got sit.
Yep.
A little kind of sit.
Boom.
That's his feet.
It is totally his feet.
Yeah. There's a little floor right there that you can put it on.
Yeah. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here because I think these will come apart.
That Jonah still.
Everything's fine. It's all good. Okay.
Daddy, now we can see your body.
Oh, it's fine.
You can still see your body on the other one. Yeah.
Okay, little girl. So I am going to glue the feet in because they're a little bit loose. Can you give it a little push? Push. Boom. There's one foot. There we go. Now we're going to do the other foot.
Maybe that must be his body.
Yeah, I think that's his body. And I think we're running out of parts, so it's going to be just almost there. This one is super easy. He goes together. Very nice.
Yeah. We gotta add some glue.
Yeah, a little bit of glue. It's just Revell plastic cement. Model Master's good too, but Revell works. And it doesn't stink or anything. What are you up to, partner? Are you alright there?
He's the box. The
Don't
box
mind you.
that's the queen of the day.
Okay. So that foot is put together. And then
We're all having a whole video.
there we go. That's just going to kind of hold his feet together, make sure everything stays together. And then we just have one more. We're just going to go ahead and put some glue up here.
Yeah.
You're pretty good, but you're taking care of things, but we want to make sure it doesn't come apart on you. Right?
I think his
You want to push down on her? Push down. Ta-da!
That must be body.
There he is. Look at him. He is all complete. He is a cute little fellow. His name is PIPLUP. He's cool. We could put him with Jigglypuff in your collection. I like him. Do you like him?
He's so cute.
He is very cute. Yeah, he's very cute. You could put him with Jigglypuff. So the glue's still drying, but that's it. That's all it took on that Bandai kit. So nice.
I got 2 surprises.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What? So there he is. That's PIPLUP. He's pretty cool. They turned out really nice. You like them? That's awesome. That is.
Is a penguin.
PIPLUP PIPLUP
And Plop
PIPLUP PIPLUP.
and Plop is a penguin.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah.
You guys did a great job building it.